Hey there. Today I'm going to talk about another procedure that we can do that a lot of people don't know is even a possibility. Well, today I'm going to talk about depigmentation. So there's a lot of people that have physiologic pigmentation or even sometimes reactive pigmentation where you can just get splotches on your gums right there. Well, there's a lot of times we can take care of that for you. If you are not a fan of your pigmentation around your gums, you don't like that darkness when you smile right there, there is something you can do about it. And with that depigmentation procedure, again, this patient wanted to do it on the uppers there. They were getting orthodontics, so they wanted that movie star smile, and we were able to give that to them by doing that procedure. So if you think you want to remove some of the pigment on your gums, or if you've got some reactive pigmentation that's just darker and you don't like how that looks, well, give us a call. We can get you in and we can take care of you. Thank you very much.